In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install GTA San Andreas in your mobile phone or in your Android phone. First up is to find your App Store or any Play Store that is available in your device, and then click the search button. So just a quick reminder that this game is not for free, so make sure that you have enough fund in order for you to download and install the game. So click this or type in GTA San Andreas. Here you will see the different results regarding the GTA San Andreas. So focus on this official application with this logo here. And then here you will see the official app that is available to purchase and to download. So just click the purchase button here and then click the Y tap buy. After clicking this application will now be automatically purchasing your Google account, and then it will now download and install into your device. So make sure that you have enough space for the installation of the game. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Grand Theft Auto San Andreas in your Android mobile phone. And thank you for listening.